UDP MLA from Nongpo, Mayralborn Syiem, on Wednesday informed that the second phase of the boundary talks between Meghalaya and Assam to resolve the long-pending interstate boundary dispute has just started. Talking to reporters, Syiem informed that the meeting of the regional committees of both Meghalaya and Assam in the Bhoi area sector will be held on August 25th and there will be a spot inspection on August 26th.
The talk has just been initiated on the second phase. Now this is the second phase, and on the broader process, the discussion will be on the 25th of August evening. The meeting will be held, and then simultaneously on the 26th of August there will be a spot inspection from regional committee of Bhoi, and at the same time with the regional committee of Desdomria. That is because the area is very huge.